Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You'll start by confirming essentials. You're signed into the right Google account and in the correct classroom. Once done, open the class and choose Stream or Classwork. Click the Meet or Add button to create a Google Meet link. Make sure to name or attach the link to an assignment if you want attendance tied to work. After creating it, copy the link and paste it into an announcement or assignment because sharing comes next and students need immediate access. Now you start the meet at the scheduled time, click the link in Classroom and press Join. When students arrive, admit them from the waiting room and make sure your camera and mic settings are correct because clear audio matters. Use the present option to share slides or a window and switch to captions if helpful. Also, manage participants, mute all if there's noise, invite co-teachers when needed, and monitor chat for questions so you keep control while staying responsive. To finish, stop recording if you used it and then end the call. Recordings save to your drive automatically so you can share them. Once done, post the recording link or a short summary back to the class stream and attach any follow-up assignments because that closes the loop. If someone can't join, first verify the Meet link and that they are signed into the correct Google account. Make sure permissions aren't restricted and that their network isn't blocking Meet.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.